So as I was saying, so what I'm doing after I take this trade, I mark these levels here, and I'll say to myself, I am short until the market proves me wrong. And this is where a lot of traders get in trouble who trade support and resistance. Because if you guys been following me, I really don't trade support and resistance. I trade order flow, where I'm looking at the dome, I'm looking at the order book, and I'm trying to find a good place to take a short. Because remember, my bias is short. All this is my bias line. So I'm looking at these levels and looking for absorption, to try to get short. And I got stopped out a few times here. Fine, but again, this is where developing traders. I'm sorry, I said struggling. Developing traders get in trouble. They would wait for this level and then boom, oh my God, support and resistance doesn't work. But they're looking at it the wrong way, guys. They're looking at it as just pure level is supposed to just hold and drop. That's really not how the market works. I mean, sometimes it works like that, but for the most part, it don't. What you want to use levels for is bias lines. This is my bias. This is the origin of this trade. Boom. So I'm short. Whether I don't care where I'm short. Somebody say I'm short. I don't care where they're short. I just know they're short. I could be short here. I could be short here. I could be short here. I'm short until the market breaks here. And again, market broke there, like broke it, has to break it clean, like where you can see it. So now what am I doing now? And there's some other advanced techniques I used that I actually had a reversal trend, and I was looking in these areas to get long, but that's more advanced. But just for the basic definition of a trend, we're just going to make this as simple as possible. But this is, most of you guys already know this. This is no secret. So when it broke that level, right? So now when it broke this level, what happens now? Okay, so this is where developing traders get in trouble. So now when it breaks this level, where should my new bias line be? Easy. My new bias line should be here. Why? Because the origin of this move that happened, that broke that trend, is here. This is the pullback that caused this move. So now I am long until it breaks this level, right? That's as simple as it gets. I am long until it breaks this level. No secret, no holy grail, no, oh my God, proprietary trading techniques, none of that. That's all the market is. It's either you're looking short or you're looking long. When it breaks that level, that's my bias line. It breaks it. I got long in these areas here. I caught this a nice move. Look, now when I get long here, now after this, remember, this is the pivot high here. So in order for the market to continue in the uptrend, it has to do what? It has to break that level. If it don't break that level and it breaks this level, you pretty much got a trend reversal, and that's when you start looking short, right? That simple. So boom, the market did this. So and who cares where you're long at in these areas? The point is, you can be long here and you can be long here. You're gonna catch this move, and that's the core principles. You may be early, and this is where developing traders get early. What they may take a trade here and get stopped out, and oh my God, or take a trade here and it may take you one or two, even three chances to catch this. That's why you have to have, not very small stops, but okay stops to give your trade some room to work. But this is what I'm talking about. If you're long here, you get stopped out. You long here, you get stopped out. You're gonna catch it. Why? Because your bias should be long until it breaks this. If it doesn't break this, you're gonna be long. The origin of this move that reversed the trend started here. So this is where your attention is going to be. This is your bias line. It goes here. Now, you got long here. It broke that. It continued the uptrend. What's the uptrend? Higher highs, lower lows. Higher highs, lower lows. Now when it breaks that level here, this has nothing to do with it anymore. That whole bias is over, because that bias line is this bias line. And this where developing traders get in trouble too with support and resistance. They'll say this level and this. No. Look at the most recent level that caused the move in the direction of the trend. So this is the most recent level that caused the move in the direction of the trend. So I'm going to be long until the market breaks this level, right? Market goes up. Boom. It pulls back. Now this is my level. Why would this be my level? Because it pulled back and broke this level here, right? So now think about this level down here. means nothing anymore. Now, this is the most important level I'm looking at. Definition of a trend: higher highs, lower lows. Completely simple. This is something you could put in your trading plan tomorrow, and you could actually make some money. But remember, who cares where you're long or short? Like, if I'm this is my bias. If I'm here and someone asks me where I'm long, who cares? My bias was long, so that's all that matters. It may take me one, two, three chances to catch the trade, but that's why you have your stops are not huge, or you just have pretty much small stops. You take a few small stops, boom, you catch a nice move. Look, caught this move, nice trade, right? This is my level now. So guys, now what's going on? I am gonna be long until what level? I'm going to be long until the market breaks this level. So again, there's some other advanced techniques that I have, but for this video, that's beyond the scope of this video. But basically, look, now I'm long. Look, market, you can support and resistance, guys. You got something. It bounced off a little scalp. But look, I'm taking longs. I got long here and got stopped out. I got long here, a little scalp, made some money. But look, I took some longs in here because why? I'm still long because that's my level right there. So I'm still long. And then look, boom, the market broke down. So now, when the market breaks down, this is important too. Where did this move that happened here, where did it start? Where's the origin, the real pullback? Some could say here, but I put my level here because I like a 2-bar pullback, and it has to pull back a certain amount of ticks, but that's what I like. So my level is here. Remember, it broke that level. So now I'm going to be short until when? Until I'm going to be short until it breaks that level. Again, that's the origin of I don't care about past levels. I care about the most recent. I'm going to be short until it breaks this level. So I caught this nice little scalp. Now, look, one bar up, 2 bar up. So now my new level is here, right? Once this I got in here and caught that, that's a pullback, that's a pivot high. Now this level means nothing. This upper level up here, this means nothing. That's old news. I don't even care about that level no more. I'm looking at the most recent. I'm trading the market in the now, right? Boom, market comes here. I got stopped out a few times in these areas. I think I caught a nice scalp here. Didn't made a little bit of money, but that's okay. But look, again, I am short until what? Until it break this level. You see that? And if this right here don't break this level and it breaks this level, it reversed trends. Bam, it broke that level. So now what, guys? Now what? Where is my level? My level is here. Higher highs. The origin of this move that broke that trend started right there. I don't care about previous past levels. They don't mean anything. Too many times, too many developing traders pay attention to levels like that happened days ago. Who cares about those levels? And sometimes they hold, sometimes they don't hold. But the fact of the matter is, this is the most recent level. This is going to give me my bias line. This is my bias line. Boom. This is an easy trade to take up in there. Look, now when I take this trade, this level means nothing anymore. This level is dead to me. This is the new level right here. Higher highs, lower lows. See how simple that is? Make trading simple. This is something that you already know, but it's like you just need a refresher. But I think this is a little bit more creative because most people will look at these levels and then, I'm looking at the most recent level. So this is the most recent level. It went here. Boom. Look, it broke that level. So technically, you're still in an uptrend. This is a nice pullback here. Bam. You put your line there, right? It broke it. You stay long until it breaks the swing low. You get what I'm saying? You stay long until it really breaks that swing. If it don't break that swing, you're just taking longs the whole way up, and it's like this technique actually helps you put you on the right side of the market, and you're not worried about past market performance. You're looking at the here and now, what traders are doing right now. This level, it broke it. This pullback, now this is the new level, it broke it. This may be a pullback to some people and it may not, but on a Friday after 3:30 I wouldn't trade anyway. So but this level broke it. It's like you're gonna be on the right side of the trade. If the market's chopping around, then no one's going to be on the right side of the trade. Guys, I hope this helps. You have any questions, let me know.